Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
When it's sunny and in season, Hakka women dry cabbage. First, they leave the cabbage under the sun to dry before mixing in salt. After getting excess moisture out of the vegetable, it's sealed tightly in a container. The dried cabbage is sour and sweet and goes very well with rice, even if you simply stir-fry it with garlic.
What's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Ling Zepsiu is my Hakka name. And here we are again to talk about Hakka culture and food especially. 不要教一些肉类的东西，教一些菜类的东西好了，感觉比较健康一点。
我想到了，我们以前有介绍过鹹菜跟泡菜
啊，对对对，鹹菜泡菜。
那现在我来讲一个东西，
OK
那叫做玻璃菜乾。
玻璃菜乾是什么啊？是什么？
不是啦，
就是菜糊吗？
高丽菜去晒干的。
高丽菜 cabbage 这个也有做成一道菜就对了。
对对对
OK
我们的这个做法其实也是很简单，就是把高丽菜嘛用镊条塞沟，然后稍微晒干之后呢，塞在瓶子里头让它发酵。
Right.
然后它的味道会有点酸酸的，
所以这个是需要一段时间来发酵，然后后来还要变酸酸的那种感觉。
对对对对。然后呢，它可以炒像什么蒜条啊，就是大蒜
right.
或者是用的蒜苗来炒都可以。
Leo 又让我口水直流啊！
是吗？
口水Hakka怎么说啊？
后兰，
我的后兰很多啊，现在。
对对，不单可以用炒的，也可以煮排骨汤，也蛮好喝的。
All right, so this is another popular dish in the Hakka culture. It's dry cabbage. They will actually sun-dry the cabbage and they will marinate it with salt and let it lay for a little while. And then later on, well preserved, and you can use it for many purposes, whether you want to stir fry it or maybe just want to eat it with garlic. It would actually bring the taste out so well, and that's why I feel like I'm drooling right now. So there we go. Let's go ahead and review these terms. 这叫高丽菜乾。
玻璃菜乾。
So this is 玻璃菜乾. It's cabbage, and you have to take it out and actually sun-dry it for a little bit. 要日晒一下。
用镊条塞沟
用镊条塞沟 ，OK， 日头去晒过，
对对对，
然后就可以拿出来跟大蒜炒在一起。大蒜怎么说？酸呢？
我就讲酸条。
酸呢？酸条。And finally, if you're like me， 你现在口水直流，口水。
後蘭，
我
就講後蘭水。
講這個字呢，要把口水先吞進去。There you have it. That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰？張乃亮。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.